Welcome to this video on setting up a free, local AI environment. We'll show you how to run Google's Gemma 4 model right on your machine using OpenClaw and Ollama for a completely private experience. The old, centralized, costly paradigm is outdated. The new end state is local and private AI. This setup is 100% free and 100% private, ensuring your data never leaves your computer, all while running Google's Gemma 4. To get started, match Google's Gemma 4 to your hardware. Lightweight setups, like mobile and laptops, require 16 gigabytes of RAM. Heavyweight desktops need 24 gigabytes plus RAM. We will focus on the E2B model for the fastest setup. The local architecture workflow involves 3 steps. Step 1 is the engine, downloading the model via the terminal. Step 2 is the gateway, linking to the OpenClaw gateway. Finally, Step 3 is the interface, where you chat in the local dashboard. Step 1 is to install the background engine. Paste this install command into your terminal to install the background engine locally. Step 2, pull the Gemma 4 model. Enter Run Gemma 4 2B into the terminal. Note that first-time downloads may take a few minutes, depending on your internet connection. Step 3, run the terminal test. Type a quick prompt like "Hi" to ensure the model is alive and reasoning on your machine. You will see its thinking process before it responds. Step 4, configure the OpenClaw gateway. Enter OpenClaw Configure to launch the interactive setup menu, allowing you to link your new model. Step 5, bind the model to OpenClaw. Navigate to Local, select Models, and keep the default local URL exactly as it is. Step 6, select the Gemma 4 engine. Uncheck any old models and press space to select Gemma 4 E2B. Then, navigate to Continue. Step 7, restart the gateway. Run the command OpenClaw Gateway Restart to instantly apply your new configuration. Step 8, launch the visual dashboard. Enter OpenClaw Dashboard. This moves you from the command line into the visual web interface. Step 9, the web interface warm-up. Select Gemma 4 E2B from the dropdown. Your very first prompt will take 10 to 20 seconds as the system warms up, so be patient. Step 10, verify private, accurate results. The AI now has full context of your local machine, running completely offline and privately. Your private AI is ready. Enjoy zero cloud reliance, total control, and the ability to scale up anytime by upgrading to the 26B or 31B models.